Cue card number 10 in Makkar list, September to December 2022. And the topic is describe a person who likes to grow plants. You should say who the person is, how do you know the person, what types of plants does he or she grow, why does he or she grow plants. So before starting the sample answer, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, जाके जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें फॉर मोर स्पीकिंग अपडेट्स एंड मटेरियल. So let's see the sample answer. I was struggling to decide who to talk about because, to be perfectly honest, I couldn't think of anyone who I'd be able to talk about for 2 minutes. मैं struggle कर रहा था कि यहाँ पर मैं किसकी बात करूँ क्योंकि मैं किसी के बारे में सोच नहीं पाया. I couldn't think of anyone कि जिसके बारे में मैं 2 मिनट बोल सकूँ. Don't get me wrong, आप मुझे गलत मत समझिए. I do know a couple of people. मैं जानता हूँ आप मुझे गलत मत समझिए कुछ लोगों को who are really into growing. Who are really into, that means they like growing plants. But here I have decided to talk about my uncle Josh, who's a real tree hugger. अगर आप किसी पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं tree hugger, that means उस पर्सन को ट्रीज या प्लांट्स करने का बहुत ज्यादा शौक है. सो प्लांटिंग करने का बहुत ज्यादा शौक है. सो ट्री हगर. Well, he's not my real uncle, but he's an honorary uncle and a very close family friend. ऑनररी अंकल का मतलब होता है कि जिनकी आप बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, रिगार्ड करते हैं. आपके रियल अंकल नहीं है. रियल अंकल का मतलब है कि चाचा, ताया, मामा, लाइक दैट. क्लोज फैमिली फ्रेंड, जो जिसका आपके घर पे बहुत ज्यादा आना जाना हो, उसको आप बोल सकते हैं क्लोज फैमिली फ्रेंड. द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम ही इज सीन इन हिज गार्डन लुकिंग आफ्टर हिज प्लांट्स. It seems that he has been caring for them as his children, because I've also taken notice that he tends to talk to the plants. I've also taken notice, that means कि ये चीज मैंने नोटिस की है. Uncle Josh has been inspiring the whole society by showing his love for nature, especially trees, खास तौर पर trees. If I'm not mistaken, अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं, it was my birthday when I was gifted, जब मुझे गिफ्ट किया गया, a beautiful rose plant as a gift, because the rose is my favorite. Uncle has also got a vegetable patch. Vegetable patch होता है जिसमें आप सब्जियां लगाते हैं, छोटा सा garden, the vegetable patch, where he grows cauliflowers and cabbage there. He has also planted a couple of fruit trees, such as an apple tree. And to be perfectly honest, I've gone many times to him for apples. And he often says, go and pick as much as you can eat. I would also call him a potato expert. Potato expert जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज हो पोटैटो लगाने की, potato expert, या पोटैटो को ग्रो करने की. Because they're also grown in his garden, क्योंकि वो भी लगे हुए हैं. I have also tried to grow some of them in our garden, but unluckily it didn't work for me. And then I took my uncle's advice that how to grow them properly, and now you'd be surprised to see my garden because it's full of them. Uncle Josh was also awarded by the local environmental authority because he has also planted several trees in the middle of the city. So ये था सैम्पल आंसर. और इसके अलावा आपको बता दूं कि अगर आप ऑनलाइन IELTS क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं मेरे साथ तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज 9872649530. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो और टेलीग्राम चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.